We'll guide you through how to understand what ChatGPT does. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the OpenAI website on your desktop. You'll find a dedicated section for ChatGPT where you can read about its capabilities. ChatGPT is an AI model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It can be used to answer questions, assist with writing tasks, or even create creative content like stories or poetry. Once you're on the website, look for an interactive demo or a Try Me button that allows you to experience ChatGPT firsthand. This is a great way to see how it processes information and responds in real time. When you type in a question or prompt, ChatGPT uses its training data, which includes a wide array of topics and languages, to generate a response. It's essential to remember that while it can provide information and assistance, it's based on patterns in data and doesn't have personal experiences or consciousness. You can explore various examples on the website that showcase different ways ChatGPT can be applied, from customer service to educational tools. It's also beneficial to review any FAQs or documentation available on the site to gain a deeper understanding of its limitations and best practices for use. Understanding these aspects helps you make the most of ChatGPT by crafting precise prompts that yield the best responses. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.